Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here. And now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's pick this button here at the center. So as you can see, here we have more options about the camera we can manage. And let's pick this 4 and 3, so we can manage the ratio of the picture. Now we are in this one, 4 and 3. Let's change this to 16 and 9. As you can see, this is the longer one. And when we tap on this once again, we can pick also the square one. And this is how it looks like. Of course, by going here once again, we can easily go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And this is how to manage this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.